Hugh, it's so lovely to meet you. So tell me about you in the National Lottery.
I've been dreaming of winning the National Lottery since its first inception. I remember it coming out and I wasn't old enough to buy a ticket.
Tell me about you in rugby.
I love rugby, that's my passion. The camaraderie, you can't get it anywhere else.
OK, you're going to love today's good cause.
I'm the highest capped Welsh Rugby League player in history, and I've only ever played the wheelchair game.
Really?
Yeah.
It's vicious!
Yeah. We cater for able-bodied, disabled, even though, yes, you may see them in a chair, we're not all in a chair, and we cater for all genders and sexes as well.
Completely inclusive.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah.
Couldn't get any more inclusive. Mason, the young lad that just kicked then, he joined us as a 9-year-old and he was terrified of a wheelchair.
Now I'm playing for the first team here and then I'm also playing internationally for Wales.
Congratulations.
Thank you. It's hard to put into words at times. Like, you have to, realisation, you think, I'm actually playing for my country.
Yeah, you are.
I remember my debut away at Scotland. I come on the pitch, I looked in the crowd and my mum and dad were crying. I was like, oh.
Yeah, my work is done.
You know what, if they're proud, I'm proud.
Thanks to the National Lottery and players like yourselves, without them, we wouldn't be here, we wouldn't be training, we wouldn't be playing, we wouldn't even have the shirts on our backs. How would you feel about giving it a whirl?
Pick someone and have a smash into them.
Come on.
Ooh, yum.
Will you go easy on him, please?
We'll try.
Goose!
No discrimination, no difference between us. The chair is such a leveller for it.
My fiancé plays with me.
Stop.
For us to be able to play a sport together was amazing because obviously keeping my eye hard.
Turn!
She's up. Ah!
She's so good, Sophie.
On your left.
Go on, Hugh! Yes! Perfect. Hugh, how have you found today?
Absolutely loved it. I had no idea what to expect. I've always fancied giving it a go and I never knew I would have an opportunity, which is awesome.
It only exists because of people who play the National Lottery. Yes, well done, Matthew.
If it helps these good causes, I'm going to keep playing.
Over 660,000 good causes. This is just one.
And look how happy these people are.
It only exists because of you.
Wow.